Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Inflatable Family Swimming Pool. Let's enjoy the water fun in this round above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy inflatable swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. The inflatable baby pool super tough sidewalls made with 3-ply materials. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools. The swimming pool multiple drain holes at the bottom. Walls the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.